Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about JD Shopping app tips and tricks. Recently, someone reached out to me about payment on JD Shopping app, and then I decided to make a video about it. So everyone that are having issue or one or two challenges about payment in JD Shopping app can be aware of a possible solution that you can do right now. As you can see, this is my JD Shopping app right here. I've been using this app to source and ship products from different stores in China. You can see these are products already delivered from my JD Shopping app right here. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shenyun, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to access from my JD right here, and I'll open up my WhatsApp right here, just like so. So this person contacted me right here. Hello, I'm from Mozambique. I saw your video on YouTube and I'm trying to buy something on JD.com, and it's asking me to verify my card. The same card I used to pay with the app the first time. Now, when I enter the verification code, it simply can't accept it. I need help. And this is the questions right here, and this is my response. This is happening because you are using your foreign bank card to facilitate payment and the card is being flagged. Now, for every foreigner that are trying to source and ship products from China using JD.com or JD Shopping app, you are likely to face something like this. The first payment for this person here was true. This is because this is the first time they are using foreign bank card in JD.com. However, this type of transaction is always been flagged on JD Shopping app. So, so if you are the type that you are source or ship products from China using JD.com or JD Shopping app, it is always recommended that you use your WeChat payment to facilitate this. And here, this was the response from this person right here. I realized when paying other supplier is accepted, I use WeChat link to my international prepaid card. Now here, in this regard here, this person here tried to link their prepaid bank card with WeChat Pay to make the payment easy on JD. Now the first payment went through. As a result of that, the next payment declined. Why this is happening is because this person linked international bank card in WeChat. Not every international bank card is actually accepted for payment of goods and services in JD.com. So in this regard, I always recommend that you have to make sure you use WeChat wallet balance to secure transaction. And this was response right here okay, I understand, but it is difficult to have the balance. I will try to organize that. Thank you very much for your help. Now in this regard, I understand that to fund WeChat wallet is always difficult for some foreigners, but not difficult for some part of foreigners, whether you are in Africa or in European country. So in this regard, if you find yourself in this particular issue, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Let me fix your payment problem in JD.com, because I have a functional WeChat wallet that can facilitate payment to any supplier in JD.com or any Chinese e-commerce app or website. So what do I mean by WeChat balance? I'm going to show you in my WeChat. WeChat balance is different from international prepaid card, as the case may be. So if you have a prepaid card in your WeChat wallet, that does not mean that you can perform the duty or function of WeChat wallet, as the case it is. So I'm going to access from my WhatsApp here again, and I'll open up my WeChat right here. So after you open up my WeChat, I'm going to go ahead and simply click on me right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on Pay and Services. So just like so. Now, for and I'm going to go ahead and click on wallet. All right, so now you can see, as at the time of making this video, I have about 52.43 yen in my WeChat balance right here. So this balance here can be conveniently used to purchase anything from JD Shopping app without limitation, without flag, without restriction. You can see my current balance right here. Now, for you to top up this balance in your WeChat wallet, if you find it difficult to top up your WeChat wallet balance, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to fund your WeChat wallet balance without any stress. Now, this is for the balance, and let's go ahead and get to bank card. I have some simple thing to explain right here under the bank card right here. Now, for every foreigners that have either Master or Visa card right here, it is not that this card here can be used in any Chinese e-commerce app or website that accept WeChat Pay. So if you have money in your card, you can still be declined. This is because this is a foreign bank card, and a foreign bank card has limitation in WeChat wallet. The only way to secure your transaction with WeChat wallet is to have money in your balance in the case of JD.com and other Chinese e-commerce app or website. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.